Oh, hello everyone. My name is Salisa Ana Prabha Ramaswamy.
Hi, my name is Nur Zahira binti Zainudin.
Hi, my name is Nur Shifa Safa binti Rusizan.
Oh, hi. My name is Rajin Amni Madha binti Mak Fairuz.
Oh, my name is Muhammad Irfan bin Muhammad Azlan.
In this video, we will share about a real laboratory accident that happened in South Korea in 2014, where a laboratory worker was infected with dengue virus through a needle stick injury. The aim of this video is to enhance awareness of laboratory safety. By examining this case, we hope to show why following proper lab procedures is essential for everyone who is working with infectious materials.
When handling infectious materials.
Now, let's look at the case that shows how small mistakes in the lab can lead to serious consequences. In 2014, a laboratory worker in South Korea was working with samples of the dengue virus for an experiment. While handling a syringe containing the infected material, she accidentally pricked her finger with the needle. A few days later, she began to develop symptoms such as high fever, body pain, and skin rash. Laboratory tests confirmed that she had been infected with the dengue virus. This confirmed that the infection originated within the laboratory, making it a laboratory-acquired case of dengue. Now, let's look at the underlying causes of this accident from scientific, procedural, and behavioral points of view. From a scientific perspective, dengue virus is highly infectious that requires strict biosafety handling at level 2 and can enter the body through a tiny needle prick. In terms of procedure, the researcher used a syringe with a needle to filter the virus solution instead of using a cefalopipette or needleless system. After that, she attempted to recap the needle. It's a step that goes against standard biosafety procedures. Behaviorally, the researcher made a risky decision, believing it will make her task easier. Although she was aware of the danger, she still chose to use the needle because she thought the syringe tip was too wide. Thank you.
This accident highlights several safety practices that were violated in the lab. First, the researcher recapped the needle after use, which directly caused the needle stick injury. Second, she used a needle unnecessarily. The syringe could have been used without it, or a pipette could have been used instead, making this step avoidable. Third, she handled a very small volume of virus solution unsafely, which increased the risk of injury. These points show how small lapses in lab safety procedures can lead to serious consequences, even for experienced researchers. So for me, thank you.
To prevent accidents like this, several key measures must be followed. First, always use a safety engineering needles and sharp container. Second, follow strict biosafety level protocols such as BSL-2 or BSL-3 when handling infection materials. Third, always wear double glove and lab coat for added protection. Fourth, never recap or reuse needles, as this is a common cause of injury. Always dispose of them immediately into a sharp container. Finally, report all accidents immediately and seek proper medical evaluation. By following this step, laboratory acquired infection can be effectively prevented. Thank you.
There are important lessons we can learn from these incidents. First, laboratory work requires constant vigilance. This is because even experienced researchers can make mistakes. Second, emergency response is critical. Any accidental exposure should be reported immediately so that medical evaluation and treatment can begin without delay. Third, regular training and reinforcement of biosafety protocols can prevent similar accidents in the future. Finally, this case reminds us that lab safety is everyone's responsibility, and following procedures protects not only yourself but also your colleagues and the wider community.
Remember,
One small mistake can have serious consequences. So, stay alert, follow protocols, and keep your lab safe. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye.